Painting is always a great activity for kids. Let's see how it works when you use a marble for painting. We need some colors, marble balls, a box, plastic box, invisible one, a paper, scissor and pencil. Cut the paper the same size of the box. Place the paper like that. Now put some colors on two corners and put the marble ball. Cover the box, then move it up and down. Keep moving and shaking. You will create a nice colors everywhere on the paper. Kids will create many movements while they are moving the ball. Let's choose two different colors. A new paper, and this time with two marble balls. And here we are. A great coloring, mixing two nice colors together. And she was proud of herself.